Time to take a look at the E23 cordless vacuum cleaner. Okay, so we do have a cleaning brush. Always a handy thing to have, but the thing that's nice about this one is it's got that little razor on there. So in the event that you get hair or anything on that brush, you can just swipe this across and it'll cut that right off. We got our instructions, and that is in color. So here's our main tube that is extendable. Here is the vacuum head. So this is something I like to see. This one actually will lock in place. So in the event that you need to stand this guy up, maybe you got to move some furniture around, something like that, you have the capacity to do that. We got nice rubber wheels here on the back. We got some LEDs there on the front, and we got a good looking brush. So that can just click into that tube. If you want to release it, just press that red button. Now we'll open that back up. We've got our filter. We've got another filter. We got some hardware. It's interesting. It's calling this a fragrant tablet. We've got our brush nozzle. So this has a retractable tip, so you can push that forward. So if you want to use brushes, you can do that. Or you can pull that guy back and use the harder nozzle. Here's our battery. There's a clip style lock. It says that is an E23BT. We got our charger for that. It says that's good for 100 and 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic. It outputs 0.5 amps at 26.5 volts. It does come with a wall stand, and it has spots on the sides so that we can store our accessories. And here is the main unit. So we have a nice large reservoir here, which is excellent. So that means we're not going to have to dump it as often. We do have a max line right there, and we have a button on the bottom, so we can easily just dump that guy right into the trash can. Looks like, yeah, so this does come with a filter installed. So that means this one is an extra. Then on the back, we got our other filter. So again, this one is an extra. And we just got our trigger, we got our contacts for the battery, and we got our nozzle on the front. So slide the battery into the back, the nozzle into the front. And I just noticed that this button is actually to release the entire bottom unit. So if you just want to take that guy and completely clean that out, we have the capacity to do that. And then click in our head. All right, so all I do is hit that button, it starts running. Okay, now I can even pick up thick chunks of foam. And I do appreciate we have a display on there to let us know exactly how much charge we have left. Yeah. And that does a pretty excellent job of cleaning up my nasty mess. That's been bothering me for a while. There we go. That is a good little problem solver.